Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn subject EVS standard 4th lesson number 3 storage of water. We need water for many purposes. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Months of rainy season, there are 4 months: June, July, August and September. Some rainwater flows away while some water seeps into the ground. Along with us, all living things use this water all year around. We need water for many purposes. For example, drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, and many more. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water. Old water stores, that is the traditional methods of water storage. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays, these old water stores are rarely used. However, their remains can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some of these stores never get depleted. There are 6 water stores. First is the wells, second is water tanks in fort, third one is draw wells, that is ad, fourth one is rivers and burns, fifth one is old reservoirs, and sixth one is old tanks, that is a houd. First we will see the wells. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Second is water tanks in fort. People lived on the hill forts in the past. They also needed water. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Third one is draw wells, another name is ad. Draw wells were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot, that is a pohora, tied to a rope. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every wada. The draw wells had water all year around. When the tap water system was introduced, the draw wells went out of use. Many were sealed. Now there are very few left in Atpadi. This can be seen in many villages. Next one is rivers and burns. Earthen or masonry burns were built across the rivers to their water. Rivers to store their water. Next is the old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using the stone and a mortar. Next is the old tanks. Its another name is houd. Earlier, tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. So students, what we have learned today? Traditional methods of water storage. That are 6. First is the wells. Second is water tanks in fort. Third one is draw wells. That another name is ad. Fourth one is rivers and burns. Fifth one is old reservoirs, and sixth one is the old tanks, that is a house. Thank you.